Okay, now that we have the membrane installed and the filtration unit back upright, here's the top of the filtration unit. And like the other one, this is going to go in the top, and this is where the permeate is going to come out through the center of the membrane. So I'll take this cover, and I'll line it up with the center of the membrane. And I'll slowly push in those O-rings, making sure I don't roll the ring. When I get to about there, and I get just the butt of a hammer, and I push down a little bit. Now as you can see, there's a ridge in the top of this here, and that's where the snap ring goes. So I'll take the snap ring and put it in. And what you do is you just tap it down a little more. You can tap it down a little more, that way your O-ring seals. And same with when this cover is coming off, because the pressure will push the cover up against this snap ring. So when you start out from the beginning, you want to just tap this down, and once you start using the unit, pressure will push this cover back up. So you just bring it down a little bit. And these screws here are a safety. And I'll put one in. There's actually 2 screws, and they have washers, and they kind of lock it up against the O-ring. And this is the screw or / bolt, I guess, with a washer. You make sure the washer's in there, and that'll lock everything in. It's kind of a safety lock to keep the top on. Make sure that snap ring's in there nice and good. That's what you want. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put this up next to Econox. We're going to show you how to disconnect the inlet and the discharge and the permeates, quick and easy.